Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up payment method for Shopee affiliate program earnings. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so to do this you have to go to the Shopee affiliate website and go to the billing section like this. Or just go to google.com and search for Shopee billing section, and then once you are on this page you just have to log in into your Shopee account, and then you just have to set up your payment method on Shopee billing shopping billing page, payment method page, and just put in your bank details or whatever you wanna put in as your payment method. And this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.